see all of this complexity that is a Saab 9.3 Aero powertrain. You have your engine control module, your throttle body assembly, your power steering pump, your brake booster pump, overflow reservoir, brake booster fluid reservoir, ABS control unit, starter, alternator, air conditioning unit, turbocharger, don't touch, hot, blow off valve for the turbocharger, air filter, custom, battery, mysterious electronics that mount to the battery box, mysterious connectors for the wiring harness, fuse box for the engine bay, no start, no crank, but the starter solenoid kicks out against the flywheel and goes whack. What could be the problem? First, before you do anything else, check the circuit breaker attached to the positive terminal to see if it needs to be reset.